I'm about to give you the best YouTube advice for affiliate marketers. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you are into affiliate marketing or network marketing, I highly suggest that you consider using YouTube as a way to generate leads and sales. All right. Now, I've been doing YouTube for many years now. I got several different channels. I realized that there is one thing that every affiliate marketer who's using YouTube needs to do if they want to be successful. And one thing is experiment. All right. Do not be afraid to experiment. And what I mean by that is, say for example, you are promoting the Live Good opportunity that I talk about all the time, right? So you might be like, all right, I joined Live Good. Okay, now how am I gonna promote this, right? I already realized I want to use YouTube, right? But how am I gonna create videos? What types of videos should I create to promote Live Good? That's a very, very good question, but only you can figure this out. To be honest with you, like a lot of people will give you advice like, do these videos. No, you got to do these videos. No, you got to do these videos and structure them this way and have an intro, don't have an intro, have a flashy thumbnail, have no thumbnail, right? Honestly, only you can figure it out, because what works for you, right, might not work for somebody else, and what might be working for somebody else might not work for you. You have to experiment and not be afraid to experiment. So say for example, you're a Live Good member now. So if you don't mind being on camera, you might just want to do some straight up, turn your camera on, turn your phone on, whatever, and just talk about Live Good. Talk about Live Good products, talk about, updates, talk about why you joined Live Good, the whole nine. Just turn the camera on and just go, right? Do that for 10, 15 videos straight up and just check your numbers. See what kind of response you're getting. See what kind of subscribers are you getting to your channel, right? Just do it, right? Then after that, even if it's doing decent, but it ain't going crazy in the numbers, if it's just doing decent or bad, try something else. Maybe you want to try just doing voiceover videos. All right. Now this is where you just put up some screenshots or maybe some stock footage and you just talking to your web mic or your lapel mic, whatever, and just do videos like that. You can script them out if you want, or freestyle, whatever. You can try that format of videos where you're not on camera and then do that for 10, 15 videos. See what kind of response you get. Right? Just see is people responding more to that type of video or the videos where you was on camera. Another thing you could try is YouTube Shorts. And this is basically where you could just, be showing pictures or footage of Live Good products, or you could just be having different images and create 15, 30-second shorts, put some music behind them, put some text on them, and do that. Just see what kind of response you get from that. All right. And do that. Do 10, 15 shorts. Right. Another type of video you can do is interviews. All right. You can interview people on your Live Good team. You can interview your sponsor. You can interview other Live Good members that ain't even on your team. Right. You can just create content that way and see what kind of reaction those types of videos get on your channel. Now, after you kind of see what's working and what's not, then you can kind of put more emphasis on the video style that's getting you the most attention, the most views. Then you can ramp those up. But I still wouldn't commit 100% to just that style. Even if you do find, say for example, your interview videos are doing really, really well, right? Don't get so locked in where you're like, well, all I'm gonna do is interviews on my YouTube channel. I mean, you could do that like maybe 70, 80% of your content could be interviews if that's what's working, but still sprinkle in some other styles because they may pop off too, right? But the bottom line is experiment, right? Especially as an affiliate marketer, network marketer, you have something that you're promoting, right? You have something to talk about, right? And then whatever that subject is, there's multiple ways that you can talk about that product or service, right? So when you are an affiliate marketer or network marketer, you literally have like endless content opportunities, right? You just have to figure out what works best for you. And the only way you can do that is by experimenting. Even doing the things that you might not feel too comfortable doing, just try it out. Now, if you want to check out the opportunities that I am doing to make money online every single month and what I promote on this channel, check out the link in the description.